Go.
Hello guys, welcome to our Think Share podcast, and today we will be discussing the movie Transcendence with AI starring si Johnny Depp
Yes.
and the whole super brain concept.
So this movie is very interesting. So this movie tackles about AI, technology, the ethical consideration, the love of Will Castor and his beloved wife, and also slightly or tackles also about how to be a human in the modern world, no? So there are three questions that is being asked, so we will try to elaborate our ideas in answering this question. So partner, what is question number 1?
So the question number one is, are Will Castor's goals is to solve all humanity's problems, curing disease and ending suffering? Are these goals inherently good? At what point do his action cross an ethical line from scientific progress to playing God?
So mag-focus sa first
ultimate
question.
goals.
So
Ultimate goals.
Will Castor's ultimate goal is to solve all humanity problems, clearing the environment and the disease, also the suffering. So the follow-up question is, are these goals are inherently good? So what's your thoughts about that? So,
Yes, inherently good siya
why?
because it is good for everyone manggod, especially the humans. Imagine, ma-cure niya ang mga diseases ug ma-end ang mga suffering.
So what if that diseases is natural? Like, do we cross the natural law or the nature of God or the plans of God by mitigating the illness that is given? I'm not assuming that God is the one who give the diseases, but I'm assuming also that God is an all-inclusive, like he's got all the power and he got the kanang na siya'y purpose ato, like all our body and or our atong mga sakit, no? So mo argue siya sa question na it is inherently good. So the humans are not good, no? Dili man tanan humans are good, but Will's intention is crossing the border between him and God. So what's your thoughts about that?
Para sa kuha, maybe yes, tungod kay powerful na kayo si Will Castor, murag it's like mura na bitaw siya
God itself.
mura na siya
itself.
God itself, pero in a way nga in a technology. And ang issue magud ani kay dili tanan bitaw ang yang gibuhat nga good intentions kay may lead to siya into good outcomes.
Yes.
And
Ultimate.
katong na-upload na siya into AI bitaw, it became too powerful. So iharang goals unta ato is kanang controlling people for their own good, but
Wala
ang
na
problem
sense
lang
of-
ani is wala bitoy consent.
walay sense of individuality.
Kanang
Like makontrol mo gunyang
makontrol
AI.
na din. Wala na consent and murag wala na freedom, like para sa atong kang katubi tong nibalan niya ang body ni Evelyn bitaw,
Yes.
yang way isa mukuan.
Yung genes, yung hormones na count na niya.
Murag wala na consent nga makuan.
Yes. So night trespass of consent of the
Bisan pag
individual.
even though his kuan kana bitang intention kay genuine or yung purpose kay good, yung method bitaw kay feel like dangerous siya kay gikan sa pag-help niya sa humanity,
Yes.
murag yung purpose lang mag-help nahimo na noon siyang controlling, and mo rin na siya nag-start bitaw nga murag ga i-playing like God na dayon.
God itself. So we can assume, no, like the Will Casters na mission or goal is very good, like walay bias or usaba good jud yang will, but the outcome man good. So na-conclude nimo nga na walang singularity of each person, ma-cure niya yung diseases pero maka-access siya into your physical
Yeah,
features.
Para sa tong
Like,
gitambalan niya ba?
Yes.
Yan ang makontrol
The
to.
one worker, he can control the actions and the emotions. And makontrol po niya ang
Masunod siya
the way
dito
he
sa-
speak,
Mm.
na
Parang
maput
masunod.
niya yung mind sa isa ka person. So kung say follow up. So like ma-trespass ba niyang ito?
So number 2 na ta?
Number 1 sa
Number 1.
at what point do his actions cross an ethical line from scientific progress to playing God? So
Ethical progress katong walay na concern.
okay, conclude lang nato. Usagi imong kanana thoughts.
Thoughts.
How,
Kanang
how does he cross the line between scientific and God?
tungod kay kana bitang tungod kay iyang intention kay good, dili tanan mag-lead to good outcome.
Yes,
And
I agree.
he became too powerful na dayon, so diha na din to ma-cross bitaw iyang ethical line, like para sa tong nahitabo ato bitang pag-control niya sa pag-control niya sa humanity through technology. And bilang nito tong wala na consent, like manipulate na niya tanan mga
Playing God.
kanang kuan sa internet ug ang tao sad.
So for me is na siya at least three ka action na nag-cross between the scientific progress and God. So first is the healing concept or pag-heal niya sa diseases. So some diseases are genetic ng hereditary, and also some illness is uncurable. So one siya, mura siya God na jud kay he can heal anything. And also he can control the person, like you said, na makontrol yung person, the mind, the body, ma-scan niya.
Kato dayong mabalik bitaw sa katong di ba gibumbahan man do
Yes.
sila, nibalik sa iyang form bitaw.
Mura siya death, God of death and God of life, the concept of God of death and God of life. So pwede ta mag-proceed sa
Number 2.
number 2. Question number 2, partner.
So Will's dying words to Evelyn are, "Don't lose yourself." What does this phrase mean? In the context of the movie, did Evelyn lose herself in her pursuit of the AI will? Did the uploaded will, in his pursuit of transcendence, loses his humanity?
So
What's your thoughts about
Will's dying will to Evelyn is don't
Katong-
lose yourself.
kamatino na si
So for me, no, don't lose yourself it means that Evelyn should separate herself from the technology. So I think Will's saying is that Evelyn should be independent on her own. Dili siya magsalig sa AI, and also nang bitawng iyang mind kay dili niya i-focus solely sa AI. Like gaingon si Will nga dapat na sense of individuality. Dapat each person has each own will something. So what's your thoughts ana?
para sa katong hapit na kamat yun na si si Will. I think katong he said that don't lose yourself. Murag it's a reminder for Evelyn bitaw nga don't not to sacrifice herself, her values because of grief. But
Yes.
ironically mao ginang naitabo na nawala
Pagkamatay
gid
ni Will,
nawala gid sa
in desperation siya nga, like gusto niya mabuhay ang husband kay because of love. Obsession. Pwede
And-
love, obsession.
He couldn't accept bitaw that Will's
wala na.
death.
Will's
Kapag
death.
si Will kay he was shot into a radiation manata to
Some
Tapos,
relation like
sa mga
slowly
anti-AI man to sila katong nagpusil sa iya
the
And-
unplug. So like may say
Tapos,
to na unplug.
kan si Evelyn iyang gi-cross bitaw ang boundary, ang consciousness ni Will he put in the AI
So,
para to keep him alive. And she know that she know that deep inside, will the AI is not the will that bitaw nga tao pa.
but anything about herself, kabalo si Will. So, I think Will's is that is not Will anymore like human.
Murag advanced, I think.
I
Advanced
think
will lang.
the emotions, the love, the knowledge before Will died is being uploaded. So that knowledge or that emotion is stagnant na siya. Dili na bitaw siya ma-progress because that emotion is cannot be progress or cannot be upgraded when it is uploaded to AI because human
Is
for me is
unique.
human is the only being that
Can
has concept of empathy and
reason.
sympathy
Reason, as a
reason but katong AI maka-reason man siya
Pero
scientifically but his subjective mind is unavailable
Yeah.
kay objective naman kay siya like the analysis sa marketing sa anything that is being uploaded from the internet is makabalo siya.
So, do you think will also lose himself?
Yes,
Kay, di ba? He's too powerful na, and then he controls everything na ba? Like, his power is like human godlike na.
Godlike
Like,
power.
Godlike
Godlike power. So-
like he can cure disease na.
so I think na ano lang sila na nabaguhan lang sila sa power. So 'di ba as you can see in the movie is is helping the disabled person to walk, the ill person to be healed, but in exchange he can access your file or your emotions.
Wala na ikuan consent.
Wa na consent.
Diyan na
So,
tumusulod.
diyan na tapos sulod.
So, in conclusion, these two, Evelyn and Will, lost their identities
Yes.
because of AI.
AI.
As
Si
Evelyn,
lost
because he lost himself because of obsession,
Desperation.
because of desperation
Of love.
of Will, and
si Will,
of his unlimited power.
si Will
Cross na niya ang
boundaries.
boundaries
Pero-
na God human-like na iyang power.
So, in the beginning manggod, kabalo ba ka si Will nga di siya gusto magpa-sponsor sa government. Gusto niya personal na funds yang gamiton para kuan bitaw dili magamit sa tibuok kalibutan. So, in that I will na siya ambitious yun. Ambition na siya ambition.
So, he's
Oh,
ambitious.
so,
Tama.
too ambitious siya and doon na nahulog din sila sa trap sa AI.
So, let's proceed to question number 3.
So, which outcome, the loss of individual self to a benevolent AI, or the singularity, or the return to a world without modern technology? Hala, it's interesting. Do you believe in the film suggests in the true danger of human spirit?
So, I think na gipakita ang movie nga duha ka outcome.
Yes.
Mawala, tanan makontrol na sa AI. Mao nang pinakauna nga ikaduha. Kanang the technology will be lost or
Yeah.
mawala na.
Like sa
Oh.
din sa movie,
So,
no internet, no wifi, no
so
laptop.
kabalo no, importante kayo sa to ang technology karon, especially in our modern. But it is sad because kung mawala ang technology,
Yes, wala.
lisod na siya.
It's very hard. Like,
Pero human man,
we
diba?
can create.
We can create again or we can recover pa man, and that's humanity can recover.
So what's
Through-
your bet in here? What
I think
action ka
I choose the outcome which technology will be lost na lang because maka-recover pa man ta. For you partner, what's your
So I
what
think
do
is maka-recover pa ta, pero it's very long way to go, no?
pero at least it's progressing.
But
Diba? That's
when
human.
if we choose AI in a singularity,
Na makontrol na niya
makontrol niya tanan, but
It's like wala na tayo purpose sa
But-
kinakalibutan.
it's
Yeah.
the pros and cons is we are advanced.
Yeah.
But kana na AI or kana na singularity, we can edit that or we can reprogram. So when we reprogram we limit we limit the AI capabilities into us. So it's very good nga ilang mag-regulate sila AI into human. For example, katong healing ni Will is good. Then dili na dayon ta mag i-limit na to ang AI na musulod sa atong own emotions. So AI should be regulated. So it's very convenient for us. The people, the humanities, the world, the ecosystem is healing through si tawag to yang small particles niya, nanotech, na mahil niya tanan, even the ecosystem or the forest or the trees.
Yeah.
So in this, I think we should have a singularity, but we must regulate it.
Moderation.
Moderation lang. Dapat na distinction sa AI and singularity of human.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're also right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
We have
So, ang mas hadlok if technology will be lost or our individuality will be lost. What do you think, partner?
so I think the technology na ma-loss ang technology
Why?
because technology is advanced in the time in the film context. But if I am Will or I am Evelyn or I am the person in the movie, it should be regulated. Like they will try to regulate, not attack the facility. So ang main dili na ganahan nato na movie is gi-attack nila ditso ang facility. So Will is attached by Evelyn and Evelyn is attached to Will. So with that negotiation, they can really reform or they can edit the capacity of AI, but benefiting the human. So it's not, but the movie they attack it and they uploaded the virus so that it is corrupted na. No? Sa imo unsa ito imo malos ang
I
loss
choose
ang individual.
no, malos ang technology because what's the purpose? Diba, the world is controlling the AI.
Oh.
It's like the perfect world na.
Yes.
So what's the purpose of life if tanan or everything controlled by AI? Diba it's become meaningless nga to live ana nga world. So losing individuality, losing ourselves, that's more frightening, diba? That's more scary. Kay wala na tayo kanang you no longer you bitaw kay AI na biya.
So I think AI is part of human. It's very argumentative, but I think human is part of AI because we invented. So if we don't have part of it, then why we invented? So desperation, no. Human should be aligned with AI. So very
you're correct,
argumentative, but I think it's correct in the
So,
way of convenience of the people.
Right, partner. And
You are right also, partner. But
the real danger is not mawala ang technology but ang ato ang identity as a person, ourselves.
pero our identity can be attached to AI. So
But it could be meaningless to live. Like, do you, are you sure that the AI is really you?
yes, if you are thinking, then you are.
You're believing that AI can be a human, like,
No,
no.
I
diba,
believe na AI is aligned with human. We can be.
So the conclusion
So
is
conclude is very. So ga-argue mi sa mong answer.
So the conclusion is you're right, partner. Dapat kanang align
Align
the
pa.
technology with the human progress. Kung if we try bitaw to mag-advance more on AI than the humanity is not, then it
It's-
would not be good, I think,
But so as we progress, ma-progress mo yung AI. So we don't it is not turning back, no turning back. So we just accept it, no, na it's part of human, that AI in the future, but with moderation and regulations also. So that's it, no?
I think that's all. Thank you for listening our Think Pair Share podcast, and
Thank
I
you.
hope you learned something from our discussion.